Kanye West and his wife Bianca Censori are getting a divorce. I'm a divorce lawyer, and here's what I think will happen in the Kanye-Bianca divorce. Kanye West has admitted that he had a private marriage ceremony with Bianca Censori in December of 2022, and allegedly, now Bianca is sick of Kanye's antics and she wants out. As a divorce lawyer, I have a pretty good idea of what's going to happen in this divorce. None of us are ever going to find out. Celebrities get divorced using binding arbitration. They don't go to court. Court involves cameras on the court steps, public records, and even people watching the proceedings. In binding arbitration, the parties can do whatever they want, under whatever terms they want, in complete privacy. They usually hire a private judge who gets an office, they do everything in the office, and they figure out what is fair. But they can determine what is fair by predetermined agreements. For example, Bianca could say, I need at least $5 million settlement before I enter into binding arbitration. And Kanye could say, no problem, but I don't want to pay $50 million under any circumstances during binding arbitration. This way, both parties avoid the worst case scenarios. And there's more. Bianca cannot bring up Kanye's mental health in the binding arbitration. That could be one of the terms. In court, she certainly could. If I was representing Bianca in a court, I would want Kanye to have a full mental health evaluation. In fact, I would want Kanye's marital assets to be held by a receiver so that he can't do anything strange that might reduce the value or even waste away those marital assets. In fact, Kanye might even be eligible to have a conservatorship placed against him because he might not even be mentally well enough to conduct his own trial. I mean, Britney Spears had one against her. Do we think that she's significantly more mentally impacted than Kanye West is today? But I don't think that Kanye is crazy at all. I think he's crazy like a fox. Kanye West is involved in numerous past, present, and future lawsuits where the prime witness for all those cases would be Bianca Censori. Kanye can make one of the terms of the binding arbitration that Bianca Censori cannot testify to anything that happened during their relationship, kind of like an NDA. So there may be more money at stake in these lawsuits than is money at stake in the Kanye-Bianca divorce. So I think Kanye is really ahead of the ball by entering into a binding arbitration, if in fact that is what he chooses to do. And I believe that we will hear from them in a year and it'll just be announced that they're divorced and we'll never hear about any of the details. And we'll probably never hear anything ever again from Bianca about her relationship because that's what she agreed to.